Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add check marks or ticks to a data table, which can help make it more clear and organized. Let's get started. If you're looking to add a tick or check mark in a data table, there are several options available to achieve this. Let's learn the quickest and most straightforward way to do this. Are you ready? To begin, choose the cell where you would like to insert a check mark. To add a symbol to your document, go to the Insert tab and click on the Symbol option. When you click this, you will be presented with a pop-up window that contains a wide selection of symbols that you can use in your spreadsheet. We will locate the checkmark symbol by selecting the font Wingdings at the top, then selecting the correct symbol from the range of symbols provided. You have two options when it comes to selecting a checkmark, a simple tick or a checkmark inside a box. Let's select the simple tick symbol. After that, click on Insert and the symbol will appear in the cell you chose. Let's close the window and use the same method to insert a different type of checkmark into the cell below. We have achieved our goal. Now that both symbols are in the right place, let's take a look at some helpful tips and tricks. We have the ability to adjust the positioning of the check marks inside the cells to match our requirements. To change the alignment of symbols or text, select the cells and then go to the Home tab. There, you'll see the different alignment options you can use. Let's make sure the check marks are placed in the middle of each cell. Also, the colors of the symbols can be changed to suit our requirements. To change the color of your tick, click on the symbol, then go to the Font section in the Home tab and select the color you want. We have chosen this dark green color, so we can confirm our selection by clicking on it, and a check mark will appear this color in our spreadsheet. It is simple to transfer the symbols to other cells. To copy a symbol, select it and press Ctrl+C. Then, navigate to the cell you would like to paste the symbol into and press Ctrl+V. That's all there is to it. If you'd like to be able to quickly add a tick to an active checkbox in Excel, you can find a helpful video tutorial by following the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.